Ni sambola vinaka malombula dangu ko Setareki Ledua au monini naivindamu ulang lau wasui levu ketumbo lakembalau. Currently one of the only two navigators, trained navigators in Fiji, who still practice the old ways of sailing, traditional sailing. The old way of our forefathers, they used to voyage in the olden days using the elements in nature, like stars, the suns, the current, the waves, and pretty much everything that you see every day. I've done some sea experience sailings. I've sailed around the world, and I've sailed around the Pacifics, and reviving traditional way of finding traditional navigations. Yeah, so intangible cultural heritage in the Lau, where I come from. I think for us, we're known as a craftsman. I came from a long line of traditional canoe building, where my forefathers built and sailed their own canoe back in the olden days, and I'm so honored and privileged to carry on their legacy as a custodians of traditional navigator in canoe building. Of one of the old record in the history of Fiji in voyaging, as the biggest traditional Fijian rua that was ever built in Fiji was built in my village in Naivindamu in Vulanga. It's called the Rusivanua Operation, and it's 118 feet rua that goes high as a double-story building, which is they launched during a cyclone, because people they believe that they won't be able to launch because it was really big. So as the way of showing off their knowledge and their skills of traditional canoe building, so they decided to launch the Rusivanua during a cyclone back in the 80s. As I remember, my grandfather used to tell me stories about his days of sailing around between the island in the Lau group, between Morde, Kambara, Ongea and Vulanga. It's a fascinating, and how they're able to sail between those islands without using technology, but just using the wind and nature, and how they're navigating through all the reefs. For these generations, is even to sail from Vulanga to Morde and back probably take us 2 or 3 days, but they did that within 1 day. ICH elements, intangible cultural, is navigating and canoe building, and those are the knowledge that that are still hoping to pass on to the next generations, and that's what we're hoping to continue the legacy and also to build a traditional navigation school where we can teach youth how to build and sail their own canoe.